Beat the Chasers star Issa Schultz has revealed his roller coaster transformation from a nervous banker to a TV legend. The television quiz personality, 38, is best known for his role on The Chase Australia. 3. Beat the Chasers star Issa Schultz has revealed his roller coaster transformation from nervous banker to TV favorite credit, Rex. 3. Issa replaced Anne Hajrati in the most recent series of Beat the Chasers Credit, Instagram. But during the 5th season of spin-off series Beat the Chasers, Issa aka the super nerd had to step in for Anne Hajrati after she tested positive for COVID-19. One fan from Down Under recently congratulated the 8-time winner of the Australian Quizzing Championships on Twitter for how many episodes he has starred in of the Aussie version of the show. Issa previously worked in IT department at a bank. The humble tally star replied to his kind words, "Ever so kind, James. Still can't believe the roller coaster I'm on. I still see myself as the nervous little guy in banking from 2015. Many other UK fans took to the social media platform to share how much they've loved seeing him on our screen this week. One said, "Congratulations. It's been brilliant watching you on Beat the Chasers in the UK this week. Would be amazing to see you in the daytime show at some point." Another added, "I love watching you this week on Beat the Chasers and you made me laugh last night when you pressed your buzzer, haha. Absolutely amazing on Beat the Chasers," a third chimed in. Last night Issa took to Twitter to mark the end of his time on the program. He wrote, "And that's a wrap. What a week and I hope everyone enjoyed. I'm ever so grateful to @PotatoITV for inviting me over, and of course all the other chasers for being so supportive, such wonderful people. And to you for watching. It's back down under for now x #BeatTheChasers." Issa has been on The Chase Australia since it premiered in 2015. He has starred in the show alongside Bryden Coverdale, Anne Hajrati, Matt Parkinson, Mark Labbott, Sean Wallace, and Cheryl Toe. He has appeared in other TV such as Who Wants to Be a Millionaire?, The Einstein Factor and Hell's Kitchen Australia. Meanwhile, The Chase first hit our screens in 2009 and has now HD 15 series. Beat the Chasers premiered 2020 and sees contestants try to beat a handful of the Chasers, rather than just one. 3. Issa pictured with host Bradley Walsh, Sean Wallace, Paul Cena, Dara Ennis, Jenny Ryan and Mark Labbott. Credit, Rex. "We pay for your stories. Do you have a story for the Sun Showbiz team? Email digishowbiz@thesun.co.uk or call us direct on 0207 782 4220. We pay for videos too. Click here to upload yours.